Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to book a hotel and flight with Booking.com. So let's have an example. You're going to Barcelona, right? You're gonna, or just let's say right here, Barcelona. You're gonna type right here, Barcelona, right? And then basically, you're gonna click on it and then basically select the schedule, the time schedule, if you want it to be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, or just select unflexible. How long do you want to stay? A week, a month, other, right? And then select when do you want to go? November, December. Just select right here the date. And if you have more than if you are single, if you have children, you can select how many adults that you're gonna, or how many adults gonna come, how many adults that they're gonna come with you, and then basically hit done, and then click search right here, and then basically gonna be able to see the flights to book from. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the multiple hotels that you can basically book on Booking.com. And then basically you're gonna see right here the brands, the distance from center of Barcelona, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the hotels, the free Wi-Fi apartments, wonderful 9+ based on guest reviews, hotels downtown Barcelona. And then basically you're gonna be able to select the hotel that you want to be in, and so you can be there or make the reservation once you get there. Right now, come to the flight though. Right, if you want to book a flight, you gotta click right here, the flights. Right, this is for stays only. So right here, just go ahead and type let me just put one way, right? And I'm gonna say Barcelona. Right here it says Barcelona El Prat Airport, and I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna select the date that I'm gonna the date that I'm gonna go. So let's have example, the 1st of December, right? And how many adults, 1 or 2, or children, and just basically search right here, and I'm gonna see the best flights for you to book the flights from, so you can get basically the best flights possible, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna get many flights that you can actually book from, right? So you can go to right here the best or just cheapest, and basically gonna be able to go to that place with those airlines. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.